So in this lesson, I'm going to look at the group 7 halogens, which are your non-metals. Now, elements in group 7 all react in the same way, as they all have the 7 electrons on their outermost shell because they're in group 7. So therefore, in the highest energy level, they have 7 electrons. Now, you must know how to describe the nature of the compounds formed when reacting with metals. If it's a metal, the halogens are going to gain an electron so that they can fill their outermost shell, so they can have a more stable electronic structure. Therefore, they become ions. If it's a non-metal, for example, hydrogen and one of the halogens coming together, they're going to share their electrons so that they can have a full outer shell. The other thing you need to understand is that as you move down through the group, what you will see is there will be an increasing melting and boiling point. You've got the more reactive, freaking reactive fluorine is more reactive, and therefore it is going to displace a less reactive halogen from a solution of one of its salts. So if you had, for example, a salt which had sodium chloride and you put fluorine in there, what would happen is the fluorine would displace the chlorine because the fluorine is more reactive. So the way to remember is it's freaking reactive up to the F. The F tells me that that's more reactive, and therefore that will displace anything below it. The other thing you need to know is that the halogens are poor conductors of heat and electricity.